For a walleye angler, it's really important to concentrate on contours, drop-offs, right? Everyone knows in the summer months in particular, or in the fall, walleyes like to hang on those sharp breaks. So historically, you would basically graph an area from shallow to deep to shallow to deep, try to find out where the most number of fish were, and then you would put your boat right in that zone, right in that depth zone. With active target, we could take it a step further, and it's amazing. So instead of following the contour, with active target, you can literally go from group of fish to group of fish. And I don't spend a lot of time in between those fish. I usually speed the boat up, and then I'll slow it down right before I get to them. It's amazing how much water you can cover and how many fish you can catch.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.